Friends, I was invited into the Facebook monetization program, and after a few days I lost it, guys. So in this video I'm going to share with you my mistake. My Facebook profile I was turned into professional mode few months ago. Like, it's over 6 to 7 months ago, and the channel, my Facebook profile, was doing absolutely amazing. I was getting all the views, and even one of my videos went viral. I got about 1.6 million views on that particular video. I have about 12,000 followers on that particular profile. But we need to be careful, guys. We really need to be careful. I want you to watch this video till the end and learn from me, learn from what happened to me, because it's not a favorable experience. It's not something you wish it happened to you, because all my dreams, all my hard work, all my resources I was putting into that particular Facebook profile to make sure that things work. I was uploading consistently. I was making sure that things work out, okay? But along the line, I was doing some things that Facebook does not permit. I was posting link on my Facebook profile, like some of those links, all these online business ideas and how to make money online. Like, people will be coming up with links, affiliate links, just invite people and you will get money and all that. So I was posting all these links on my videos, okay, on my Facebook rather. I used to post those links, and one that was one of the things I was doing wrong, actually, and this really cost me. Okay, this really affected me. Another thing that I was doing was reacting to videos. I do react to people's videos. I get videos from TikTok, re-edit it. Some I will even do voiceovers, enhance the colors and all that, as we are told to do. So at the end of the day, after posting some of those videos, some will actually do well, get me the views, get me the subscribers, get me the followers as I want. But sometimes I notice that some sounds on that videos will be removed. I will get, like, Facebook is going to send me notifications that this video is actually copyrighted. Even the fact that I reacted to this video did not stop that from happening. So I've talked about two things now. I post links on that very Facebook profile that got demonetized. Like, the day I saw that message, like, I was super excited. Like, I've I was super excited, because I just wonder how this me getting almost 1.6 million views on my videos, followers were coming in like water. Like, people were, I would just get into see my views. The views kept going high. Like, all of a sudden, after I was busy running around getting papers in place, so that I'll be able to submit my papers, to fill in the necessary information and the rest. And before I went to check it, after 6 days, it was no longer there. They have taken the monetization. Like, and after then, I tried to reach out to them. Up till now, no response. So I would like each and every one of you. And another thing is that if you want to monetize your page or your profile on YouTube, once you see sign that yes, your channel is doing well, or once you have that intention in mind, make sure you get your papers ready. Because as it is now, I don't know if it's what I was doing wrong on my channel that caused that. But I've seen some cases whereby people, like, they spend weeks getting their papers ready and they still apply, and it comes out well for them. But mine, like, because I got this notification, like one of the videos I posted within that period was copyrighted almost 2 times. So I just wanted to post to make sure that like, to make the channel feel, the profile feel lively, and I got demonetized. I lost my content monetization. So friends, we need to be careful. We need to be careful. Prepare your documents. Once you intend monetizing your profile, prepare your documents. Avoid anything. Like, if you want to make money on Facebook, make sure you read their terms and conditions. Like, go and read about their monetization policies. Is going to save you a lot. After then was when I went back to read about their monetization policies and discovered that I have violated many of them. But now the content monetization, what I was working hard for, has already been taken from me. And since I got that, I started deleting so many videos on my channel, on my profile. I was deleting. I took down so many of my videos, so many of my, as I was advised, because I went to do so many research, and Some people say I should delete this, I should delete that, I should delete it. So I end up deleting every video on my profile, but to no avail. Like, it didn't bring back that monetization to me again. So I want you to be careful. You that you're watching this video, please learn from me. Don't fall into the same pitfall that I fell into. Okay, please learn from me, and I wish you all the best. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And if you got value from this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And please, I'll see you in my next video. Please stay safe. Bye.